Hey guys, we're back for another car video. This one's actually some leather care on the inside. As always with my collection, it's Griots Garage. It's a leather care. I've got the old bristle brushes. I think this one was, or may have been horsehair or something like that. I can't quite remember. But yeah, so I've got this. This obviously doesn't scrub at all. It's super soft. It doesn't do a whole lot, but I gotta go ahead and have a microfiber towel here. So yeah, what this one is, of course, it's a leather care. It cleans and preserves the leather. We're gonna apply a little bit to the area specifically on my wife's side of the seat. I don't know if you guys have this problem. We had it in her other one. She wears these blue jeans that I swear it just marks up everything she sits on. I don't understand. You'd think that they're brand new jeans every time, and trust me, they're not. So she constantly, I'll get in there and show you. She constantly discolors the seats. And I mean, this is a brand new car. This is only a few weeks old. And I mean, look at that. Look at the blue into this. You can definitely see it over on this side. It just annoys the hell out of me. And over on my side, absolutely, you know, there's hardly anything going on there. I mean, you can't even, that's just shadow. That's shadow effects over there. But over here, look at this blue. So I'm gonna do a little spot just to show you guys. And of course, with this one, like I said, we're just gonna use. Of course, they want you to put it in a small spot, an inconspicuous spot first. Make sure you don't discolor the whole thing when you get going. This is my first time using this product, and there we go. We got a good old pop there into this video. But here, we'll go ahead and get some of this on the rag. Throw that off to the side. And I'm not a waster, so let's go ahead and clean that up. This might surprise me just as much as you guys. I don't know. I've not used this yet. Normally I've used Lexol products, but this one, like I said, once I find a product I really like, I stick to it and to that brand. So, you know, there might be a little bit of a more pad, like a buffing pad you might want to use, depending on if this works much or not. But here, I'm not even going to rub hard. I'm just going to let it go. Screw it. Let's just do it. Look at that, guys. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess I found a product that I can't give her a heck on now. Look at the clean of that one. Look at that. Compared to right here. Not sure how good the camera is. I can't wait to actually see that on the video, but in real life, that works like crazy. And like I said, there was no scrubbing hardly at all on that. Shoot, let's just hit the whole thing while we're at it. It is much more like a cream. It's not like one of those real runny liquids. So I feel like it can go a lot farther. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the front of that. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that works. I started seeing that the other day and I was like, are you kidding me? I really hoped I was able to find a product that worked, and I'll be dang, that one really did. I'm sure a lot of them would have really worked. But my other, you know, these are a little bit, these seats have that kind of, I don't know, kind of the skin feel, you know, where it, you know, feel it. But yeah, you know, her other one was super slick and super smooth leather. But yeah, since we got this one's totally changed, so I feel like it may grab a little bit more. But that smooth stuff, I've used the Lexol on it before, and don't get me wrong, it really does work, but it just never got rid of it like this. Of course, this is not years and years and years of use. This is only a couple weeks. But like I said, her jeans just come off every time, and it just annoys the heck out of me. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the rest of this one, keep it clean, and make sure I let her know that she's off the hook on this one, unfortunately, guys. But yeah, hope that one worked for you guys. Hope you guys really liked that one. That one was fun for me because it was kind of a shock along with you guys. I was kind of expecting it to clean up a little bit, but not as much as it really kind of did. And like I said, you know, you can still see some spots. I'm gonna come in here a little bit more, and heck, while I got you, let's just do it. Nothing worse than making you guys think it's gonna work, and then it not working. But you guys saw the rest of that. Just kind of add a little bit of swirl action into there. And like I said, you know, the whole part where she sits her butt doesn't even get, it just blows my mind how it's always over here. Of course, I know this one's all got the holes in it and everything, but with her I'll probably burn through this product. But like I said, this was another one that this one was a leather care kit. I think it came with some microfiber cloths. It came with this I call it like it's more like a lotion, and I think it also came with the interior cleaning, so I think it's got just like a good little dashboard cleaner and all that. But up here I like to do a lot of UV protecting. Obviously that sun's killer to these dashboards. So, but yeah, I mean, you know, that one little spot I wanted to kind of show you guys, seemed like it came out pretty well. So like I said, I'm an overdoer. Sometimes I add more product than I really need to, I'm sure. But there she is. Nice and free and clear of blue jean stain. I'm kind of stoked about that one. So glad you guys are all along the ride with that one. That one was fun. Like I said, nothing more fun than thinking I'm actually going to give you guys a video, and it actually works. So that was really fun. Hope that one worked for you guys. Hope it was a little fun to watch. Hopefully it wasn't too shaky, and yeah, come back for another one, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, comment, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Help the analytics get up. That way I can help show you guys along the way what's truly going on with this YouTube process. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one.